friends, we're gonna get started. Could you right now swipe your screen so you just see me in speaker view? Thumb on your cheeks like this when you just see my face in speaker view. I'm gonna show you right now what we came up with yesterday for our charter. So far, we have said that in order to be respectful in our Zoom, we need to keep our eyes on the speaker. We need to stay in mute when it's not your turn. We need to keep your face on the screen. Should it be anyone else's face or just yours? Just yours. Sit up nice and tall and stay in the same spot. Miss Stelly, I think we're ready for some jokes.
Isla, you're up, girly.
Why did the cookie go to the hospital?
Why?
I don't know why.
Because it was feeling crummy.
I love that
Oh,
one.
good one.
Thomas.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Easter.
Easter too.
Easter, any chance you could lend me $5?
All right, Miss Culberson.
It's time for some wild robot escape.
Yay! Silent celebration.
Children can be very sneaky. And when Jaya and Jad heard the ruckus coming from the barn, they silently